Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the most electrifying updates from the world of supercars, bikes, and everything that runs on wheels. If you dream of speed, crave comfort, and live for the thrill of innovation, then you've just landed at the right place. Buckle up, because today we're not talking about track monsters or city cruisers, but something that redefines the meaning of freedom on wheels. This is your full review of the 2026 Winnebago Motorhome, a vehicle that's not just built for the road, but for the soul of every traveler out there. The 2026 Winnebago Motorhome isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in mobile living. With decades of RV excellence behind it, Winnebago has once again raised the bar, blending luxury, practicality, and technology into one cohesive masterpiece. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic exterior draws you in. It's bold, modern, and far more refined than the boxy RVs of the past. Winnebago has managed to design something that looks like a high-end hotel suite on wheels and yet handles like a dream. Under the hood, the 2026 Winnebago is powered by a next-generation V8 turbo diesel engine that delivers better fuel economy without compromising on power. Whether you're cruising through mountains or gliding down a desert highway, this motorhome handles it all effortlessly. It features an advanced suspension system that absorbs road imperfections, making even the longest journeys feel smooth and fatigue-free. And thanks to the all-wheel drive option, off-grid adventures are now more accessible than ever. Step inside, and you're instantly greeted with a premium living space that rivals most luxury apartments. The interiors have been completely reimagined, with natural wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and space-saving innovations that make every inch count. The main lounge features a convertible sofa with memory foam, swivel captain chairs, and a full entertainment system with a 55-inch smart TV and immersive surround sound. The kitchen in the 2026 Winnebago is nothing short of impressive. It features solid surface countertops, a stainless steel residential-style refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and even a built-in dishwasher. There's ample storage for all your groceries, cookware, and utensils, with thoughtfully designed drawers and cabinets that don't rattle even on bumpy roads. Moving towards the bedroom, you get a king-size bed with a luxury mattress overhead, storage, individual reading lights, and full blackout shades for a perfect night's sleep. The climate control system is quiet and efficient, with individual temperature zones so you and your partner can both be comfortable. No matter the weather outside, the bathroom area is equally luxurious. It includes a full stand-up shower with a rainfall shower head, a modern vanity with backlit mirrors, and an upgraded water filtration system that ensures clean water wherever you go. It even has a washer-dryer combo unit tucked neatly into the corner to take care of laundry on long trips. Technology lovers are in for a treat. The 2026 Winnebago comes with a full smart RV system controllable via touchscreen panels and a dedicated mobile app. You can monitor power usage, control lighting, climate, water tanks, and even manage solar charging through the integrated system. With 1,000-watt solar panels, a lithium-ion battery bank, and an optional generator, this motorhome is designed for complete off-grid independence. Safety has also seen major upgrades. You get adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot detection, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. Whether you're driving through tight city streets or reversing into a forest clearing, this RV has your back. In a world where travel is becoming more flexible, the 2026 Winnebago Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's your home, your escape, your freedom. It's perfect for digital nomads, road trippers, or anyone who dreams of exploring the world without leaving the comforts of home behind. That's it for today's Ride with Ride Ready Reviews. If you're dreaming of a life without borders and a road that never ends, The 2026 Winnebago Motorhome might just be your perfect companion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we've got a lot more coming your way. Until next time, keep riding and stay ready.